so confused. Oh, why did I get killed immediately? Oh, I just killed my first person. 안녕하세요, kimincoree 박Kimi입니다. Hi, this is Kimi Park from kimincoree, and today I am not alone. I am with my friend Kimi. Yes, we actually have the same name. Kimi is a classmate of mine at Seoul University in the Korean classes. We are going to this PC Park. This is my first time going to one. I have no idea how it works, so that's why I brought her with me, because she's a gamer and I don't know how to play anything like at all since Pokemon on the Game Boy. So it's here on the 3rd floor, right at PC Bank. Can you tell us more about how it works?
PC bangs are rooms where you can go and play on a PC that usually has really cool graphics and really good headsets and keyboards. You just go and play games, you can watch videos, you can study. Though it is kind of loud, so I wouldn't recommend it. And this one's really cool because it is very foreign friendly. So even if you're here and a tourist, you can make an account with your passport, and having an account is really convenient because you can just add time to your account instead of having to like go back and pay again to get more time.
If you live here on a longer period of time, you can use your ARC,
yes,
right?
So most PC bangs, if you want to make an account, you need your ARC card attached to your phone number so that you can make the account, and then that works in basically every PC bang, including this one. But you don't need your passport for this one if you have an ARC.
And what type of crowd do you usually see in PC bangs?
Usually younger. I've seen many teenage boys.
Okay, yeah, more boys than girls, right?
More boys than girls, but everyone's just in their own world, so no one's really like judging anyone. There is also a smoking room, so you do see a lot of people going there to smoke. You hear a lot of cursing because a lot of people are playing games. What's really cool about a PC bang as well is that you can go and order food from your PC. So there's usually a menu on the PC that you can just click on, and you can either use Kakao Pay if you have it, or you can even just give them your credit card. So they'll come over with the food and they'll take your credit card, they go and scan it, whatever, come back, bring it back to you with the receipt. Pretty easy? Yeah, pretty easy.
Have you seen people buying tickets? Because I've heard that some people go to PC bang because the internet is fast there.
Concerts, yes. Yeah. I myself have gone here to like buy a ticket for 17.
Oh, for 17! Any 17 fan out there?
That was the first reason I ever came to this PC bang, actually. Not even for games. I never played games on a PC before. So,
oh, okay.
And then I came here and I was like, this is much easier than I thought it would be. So I decided to try PC games as well.
What are the average prices for going to PC bangs?
So every PC bang is different. This one is more expensive than others, probably because it's associated with Riot Games, I believe, which is a big gaming platform. And it's so foreign friendly, so they get a lot of tourists, so it's a little bit more expensive. The average PC bang, I would say, for like 5 hours might be like 4,000 won. Oh, maybe less, depending.
Okay, so that's
it's not super expensive. Even this one, there are some really cheap ones as well. There's a wide variety, but they're all usually like 1,000 per hour-ish.
You book 4 hours to start with, or you pay just 1 hour and you top up?
So you can do both. You can pay for like 5 hours to start off with if you want. You can pay for 1 hour and then see how you go. It usually tells you like about 30 minutes to 20 minutes before your time is up that like top up your time, or like your time is almost ending, so that you can go to this area where you can top up your hours.
Enough talk, let's try. Okay, so Kimi could just like go at the front and put a card in to pay for some hours. So I already have an account, so I can just enter. So it has my name, and I can do. I don't want to receive. Thank you. It's done. So then when I go to my account, it's there. Also, I was wrong. It's more expensive. But still. And you could do even like 90 hours.
Oh, wow.
If you want. But I don't have an account, so now we have to register for an account for me. So let's try that now. This is Kai, so that's how you can tell.
Yeah, okay.
And then for this, it's giving you other options, but I would just use this, the last one. You just have to agree to all of this. And then here you make your ID, you have your name, you make your password. This one's for birthday, if you're a man or a woman. And this is for your phone number, and they're going to send you a number to write here, and this is your address. I don't know why they ask you that, but they do. So we just tried to do the solo registration because I've got an RSC, but there was something with the verification of my phone number that didn't really work. So instead we just went to the counter, I just gave them my ID, they made me fill a form, then I paid for 2 hours, and it was only 3,000won, so 3,000, which is probably about like €2.
2 hours, and your ID. And
That's you, right?
That's me.
And then Shinyan card. That's you. And then you just pay.
And now we're just gonna order some food and play some game, watch something, I don't know. First I have to log in.
Yeah, so you just put
So-
your ID. And then it already has the menu up for you. So the first part is like, yeah, smoothies and coffee. The second part is like canned drinks. That one is like hot dogs and like fries. And then they have snacks. Usually they have like headphones and stuff there. So there's usually two different ways to pay. This one has 신용카드 as an option or a coupon. So if you have like credit on the account, you can use it that way. Some other places let you do cash and Kakao Pay and other options as well. So basically how it works is you place the order and then you take your 신용카드 credit card, place it on the table, and then they come by with the food, like drop off the food, take your card, swipe it, and come back and leave your card with your receipt.
Wow.
So very simple. Even more simple if they have your Kakao Pay, because then you just like scan it and then you're done.
Yeah, wow. So now that we've ordered food, what should we do?
On the main screen, there's usually like games they recommend or are promoting or something like that. But there's also often categories. So these are different categories of applications. One is FPS, that's first person shooter. There's also stream. There's messaging. So if you click on it, so say I click on first person shooter, all of these are first-person shooter games. So if you're looking for that specific type of game, you can find it here. That's where I find Valorant. But they also have messaging. There's a lot of different social media. Also, what's good to keep in mind is up here in this corner, that's what keeps track of your time. So this is the time you've used since you've gotten here, and that's the amount of time you have left.
I don't know, because I don't know how to play any game.
You can also teach them to play Valorant.
Wow. Well, should we do that just for fun, actually? Because I've never. But do I need an account? So the last time I played a game on a PC, I was in probably middle school, and it was Age of Empire. So I'm not a gamer.
Cool, so you just go to the Valorant.
This?
Like, yeah, right there, and you log in. So because we're on a Korean PC, it's going to be in Korean. So I can teach you how to switch it if you want.
We lost it already enough. So we just created an account for me for the game Valorant, which is a game that Kimi likes to play. Created an account using a Japanese VPN because it's easier to register.
Also, what's good to know is not every PC bot lets you play on other servers. This one does because they have a lot of foreigners. They're not region locked.
Kajal, that's why I clicked on the wrong thing. Not Kajal. Kajal is refusing and Tongbi is agreeing.
You have to do a quick tutorial.
Well that's okay because I actually don't know how anything works. I am trying.
Awesome. It wants you
like
to
coordination. That's gonna be so.
And now,
to me.
Yeah, it's telling you directions in Korean. Press W to go forward. Yeah, and there you go.
Oh my god.
Now you have a gun.
Oh, wait, that's a target.
Yes. Oh, there's gonna be an enemy. So you're gonna try and shoot the enemy.
I'm gonna die first.
No, you got it. If you want to see closer, press the right click. Yeah. Easy to remember. R for reload.
Yeah, but everything's hard for me right now.
No, I get it. You're doing really well, actually, for someone who's never played a PC game like this. And then your food came.
This is the food. A notification just popped up, so I know she just charged me.
So that you can...
Yeah, because I can't wash my hands. Probably like if you're eating. Oh,
Yeah,
I just shot something. I just changed for a knife. They give you a fork so your fingers don't get dirty while playing. So that's actually a practical idea. She gave me back my card with the receipt.
And just shoot him.
Ew.
You're too happy. Good, and then you know he's there, so you can shoot him again. Very good.
Yeah, I feel like a professional player right now. Oh wait, but it's like,
well, you've done well.
Sing me.
That's what I've always.
You know what? This is stressful. I'm like, my heart is pounding.
You want to switch to? You can switch to actually any language. Oh.
Yeah, but in a way, it's kind of like interesting that it's in Korean. I still don't know what I'm doing. That maybe it's a good idea to play.
That's why I always play in English.
Well, although it makes you practice. Like, you know, when he said, "Oh, okay," I'm like, Yeah, if I become addicted to gaming, I will 100% blame it on you.
I'll take the responsibility. For never playing a PC game, you did pretty well.
Direction is really difficult.
Mm.
You have to coordinate your right hand and your left hand, and I'm not really good at that. I'm also a terrible driver. In case you're wondering. Okay, first real game. Let's try.
So we're attacking right now. So we have a bomb that we want to plant.
Who's got the bomb?
We have a bomb.
Which character of it?
Someone picks it up.
No,
so-
because I'm not gonna.
Yeah, I'll pick it up. Just come with me. Follow me. Shoot anyone who is an enemy. Press-
Where do we go?
If you-
How do I? Oh, I changed to something else. I have no idea where. Oh boy, where is it? How do I know who are we against? Where am I supposed to go?
Why does that mean it?
How do I take it away? The bubble.
Well, we never run.
That's very confusing. Where am I supposed to go? Or why are they shooting? I'm so confused. I lost my big gun.
Our teammate flashed us. It's okay. We don't care. We can deal with it.
Where are they? Ali
They're
panting.
not here.
Where's Ali?
But I put a wall there.
Really? A wall. How do I put a wall? So something just flash.
Okay.
I just killed my first person. Oh, sorry. Oh.
Oh no, you died. It's okay.
Yeah.
You got one.
I can too. Two in a row. What is this big bowl of whatever that is?
But you got 2 really good kills.
Yeah.
You have 4 kills.
Wow, 4 kills. Oh, there's one I didn't
And
even
also-
notice. Oh, why did I get killed immediately?
Oh,
somebody just killed me. Great. You want to play? Let's play. Oh, kill me in 1 second. Oh, see here. Oh,
TNT.
oh, for I get killed immediately all the time. Oh, here.
Oh, nice kill, but it's too late.
Oh. Alright, I'm the last of my team, but 9 kills. Oh, she said I did well. For a first game, I suppose.
Well,
Oh, it just took me like 30분 남았습니다.
Oh, you might be 30 minutes left.
It was fun, definitely fun to try to play a real. Yes, she keeps telling me good. 쿠폰 시간 30분 남았습니다. Oh, match found. Okay, we're gonna play this. I'm gonna do the same character. Died.
Okay, that was hard. Oh, look at you!
This guy killed so quickly. Oh, that's pretty. I don't know where we are. Oh, for f***ing. Okay, we just played 2 games. The first one I thought I did not too bad, the second one was But overall, it's actually kind of like really fun. It's more fun than I expected it to be. Yeah.
First 2 games you ever played of Valorant, and you were able to kill people, and that in itself was an accomplishment.
Okay. Yeah. Killing people is fun, but I get killed most of the time. But so bad experience at a PC Bang. It's really fun. Comfy seats, although I haven't even leaned back until right now. Just too busy like being like crushed, like, oh my god, I gotta get that kill. I really like the keyboards because they're very pretty. You're kind of in your own world. You know, when we entered, there was like loads of people in a room. I was like, oh, that's gonna be like very loud or whatever. But actually, because you only have that and you focus on your game, definitely would come back again to Norebang. I keep saying Norebang. I need to go to Norebang. A PC Bang. Yeah, we definitely come back.
Have it on your mind.
You can get food, which is great. Although I can't play and eat food at the same time, I have to do a break. It's not the healthiest food in the world. I'm guessing they're not really gonna serve you like, you know, broccoli and carrots, but definitely a fun activity to do by yourself or with friends. It's even better.
Much better with friends.
So I only have 9 minutes left right now, and I'm gonna go because I've got other plans. But you can actually buy more time, and if you don't use up your entire time, you can use it another time. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.